What is it about quantum computing that is going to surpass what today is seen as the cutting edge, artificial intelligence?
I love the question, Maria. And I would say like probably two things. Number one thing is that artificial intelligence has been there for decades and decades, and people have been using it and everything. So, machine learning, the expert system, semantic network, and all these things. So people get used to it. And we've seen like the progression of artificial intelligence, like it's a steady progression, but it's not really, there was a breakthrough when we did like deep learning and everything. But since then, I mean, we're just like, it's steady progression.
Mm-hmm.
Quantum computing is a breakthrough
Mm-hmm.
because quantum computing will help us to solve problems that nobody has been able to solve today. And we talk about what we call the complexity of the problems is funny because we talk about NP complex problem, which are so complex that you could put like the biggest, the supercomputer of the world, it would not be able to solve it. And so you're going to need to have the power of quantum computer to be able to solve that. And when I say solving it, is that it's important to solve that in a reasonable time frame, which is like probably would be like a day or 2 days, even a week would be pretty good. And if you think like some of the problems we're talking about, classical computer would not even be able to solve that in, let's say, 100 years. That is a breakthrough. And this is why it's going to be so important. A lot of people believe that quantum computer will replace any computing power of the world. It is wrong. You need to understand that a quantum computer would be more like a coprocessor of a machine that is a classical mainframe. So your classical mainframe will continue running, and then when it's going to be a very complex problem that the classical computer cannot do, they'll send it to the quantum computer, who will do basically the solving problem, send it back to the classical computer, and that's you get your result.